I know what you think of when you think of gazpacho. You think of the 1988 classic Pedro Almodovar film, Women on the Verge of a Nervous Breakdown. And of course, there will be times when a blender full of sleeping pills and cold soup is right for the occasion. But I think putting gazpacho in a blender is a coward's way out. This watermelon gazpacho takes a little bit longer to make, but it could just save your life one day. And we're gonna do it in 3 steps. We'll make a pesto, we'll dice all the fruit and veg, and then we'll make the juice. Now, given all that, I usually break down my watermelon first since it's messy and I like to get it out of the way. This watermelon's gonna be 5 different dishes, and I only need about a quarter of the whole watermelon to make 6 servings of gazpacho. So now I'm gonna throw this pesto together. That's gonna be cilantro, mint, basil, pecans, garlic, and a thumbnail of jalapeno. And traditionally, a mortar and pestle would be used. And you can still do that if you like. Break it down until it's really well minced. Now dice all your stuff. Red onion, because it's pretty. Cucumber. Bell peppers, the pretty ones. And celery. So remember, we've got about a quarter of our watermelon. We're gonna take half of that quarter, making that an eighth, and we're gonna dice that and put it in with the dice mix. Then we're gonna take the other eighth and we're gonna put it in a blender with some water and liquefy it. Add all of that to your mix, and now you've really got the bull by the horns. Now all we have to do is add some cumin, some paprika, some celery seed, and lots of olive oil. You really want this to have some body. Add some freshly cracked black pepper or whatever you got. Some salt. Some balsamic vinegar, and red wine vinegar works too here. And that's it. That's about to be some of the best darn gazpacho you never saw. And you can garnish it with anything you want. Ice cubes are traditional. Avocados are good. I like Bascoli's olive salad. It is a Gulf Coast thing. The full recipe is on my website linked below. If you do go make it yourself, I hope you'll send me a pic because I love pics. I also hope you'll like and subscribe because I love likes and subscribes too.